Hi everyone, it's James in Japan. It is August 3rd, 2019, Reiwa 1, and it's scorching here. It's 32 degrees Celsius and the humidity is just really high. Anyway, I'm off to Mie Prefecture. See you there. I'm getting close. Another 45 minutes from where I'm at. I had been driving for more than 2.5 hours and I arrived in Mie Prefecture. I saw a lot of country and I was heading to a place called Akame48, which is well known for waterfalls and ninjas. So I really wanted to see ninjas.
Right turn.
Here we are. Ninja. $800 parking. Yikes. Guys, I made it to Akame48 waterfalls, and parking costs 800 yen. And there's a guy over there waiting for me. Let's go. 料金ですね。
800円けど、
はい。
700円で。悪いんだけどね、すみません。これ持ってそこにお店あるやろ。はい。あの店のレジでお願いできる？行くときな。はい。はい。案内地図持って行ってる。The old guy told me to take this receipt into that house and pay there and get an information map. Ninja Akamatsu. Which side? Yokoso. Venice Beach. This place was dead. Absolutely no customers. These two ladies asked me what I was holding, and I tried to explain that I was holding an action camera. They couldn't understand that. The other lady wearing the kerchief on her head said that they were two old ladies, so they don't understand technology. The short old lady said, 100 yen service, meaning she's knocking off 100 yen. I said to the old lady, 今日は空いてるですね. It's kind of quiet here, but then she pointed up the road. There should be more customers. Yeah, I speak English, of course. Oh, that's okay. 日本語で喋ってもいい？構わないよ。大丈夫。大丈夫。もう長いんですか？そうだ。まずその料金。5000円お預かりね。Yeah, just told her to take the money for the parking. It's quiet over here. ありがとう。800円だけど、100円サービスで。あ、どうも。700円な。はい。社長。社長？ここからね。うん、はい。 Oh,
200
200 meters. 近い。
遠い。
遠い。じゃあ大丈夫。
ここ近い。
こ
の辺ぐらいね
滝
滝まで近いですよ。
わ
こここうまっすぐ行ってください。
はい。
それでスロープ。
スロープ。
右へカーブ。
右、はい。
それでこれね、ここ入り口。
はい。
スタート。こ
スタート。
こで30分ぐらい。
30分。そうです。そんなに遠い。
時間ね。
OK。
最後まで行ったら3 hours。ラウンドトリップするや
3時間かかる。歩く。
全部行ったら。
Oh my god。
このぐらいにしてください。
いや、ここまではどのくらいですか？
ここで往復1時間。
1時間。OK。OK、大丈夫。
大丈夫。
OK。
この辺かな。このすぐ上がこれ。
OK。
ここがこれになる。
OK。目印がいっぱいですね。
あります。
まずこれ。
まず不動だけ。つけて。
危ないですか？
こちらこまっすぐ行ってくださいね。
はい。ありがとうございます。That's a ninja? So the nice old lady told me to go up the slope, then turn right. Not many people here. I'm gonna find me some ninjas. Tourist information. Free Wi-Fi. Rest area. Akame Visitor Center. Ninja training. Eco tour. Now I thought this place was going to give me some real information on where I can find ninjas. It's a pamphlet. I was hoping to see some information about ninja performances. さっき不動滝さっきその小さい滝だったまだ向こうですか？もう一つその忍者はどこでパフォーマンスに見える？パフォーマンスじゃないトレーニングはどこですか？
今だと出てるかな。忍者フォレスト。
忍者フォレストというあっちですか？近い。はい、ここ忍者フォレスト。OK。そう、渡ってそこわかる？はい、わかる。店舗。その目印。OK。この坂。OK、この坂。OK、ありがとう。It's not clear. I want to see ninjas. Where are the ninjas? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Which way should I go? Okay, I'll go this way. Okay. Forest of Ninja Reception. Okay. Enju in Temple. It's a temple, right? Here are a bunch of temples with no ninjas. Nobody is around. sure is hot.
You must not drink this water.
Map 17. Okay. I'm so damn hot, I don't know where I'm at. Okay.
That lady lied. Ninja training my foot. No ninjas. I'm beginning to call this place false advertising.
This is a real ninja's costume? Oh my god. Wow, overpriced. Ooh. It's made out of rubber. Oh. 500 yen. Wow. Fudo Fall, then Senju, Nuno Iki Fall, Hayakujo Iwa. Okay, what have I been doing down there? Oh, you have to pay. Fudo Taki wa doko desu ka? Fudo Taki. ここです。ここです。
今ここね。
はい。
ここ。5、6分先。
はい。
はい、ここです。
どういうこっちから料金料金いる？500円こうで。もう一つ滝行くときまた料金いる？いらない。1回だけ。OK。Okay, cost 500 yen. Okay, ありがとう。6時まで。OK、私多分すぐ帰ります。Okay, you have to pay to come in. Oh, it's air conditioned. Come on, where's the waterfall? That says Fudo. To Fudo Taki. Let's go find Fudo. Let's go. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Wow. Oh, this is nice. Nice. Are you serious? This is so narrow. Stay to your left. Okay, when you're going down, stay to your left. Isn't that nice? Wow. Yeah, don't cross this point. Oh, nice. Which way? Worship course. That's narrow. I'm getting tired. Let's go. Nunobiki Falls, upstream, down. They got a spelling mistake. Henri. Okay, Henri. Holy cow. Yeah, you gotta be a ninja or you gotta have like really small feet. I think I'm going to end this video. I saw some waterfalls, but I didn't see any ninjas. This place is a fake.